If you're tasked with writing a lot of content and find that spelling and grammar are not your strong suits, then I wholeheartedly recommend Grammarly. Grammarly is the leading spell checker and grammar correction software available online, working seamlessly with almost every website. The free option provides instant fixes for spelling mistakes, while the paid option allows you to review grammatical errors and sentence structures.
When looking at the pricing table, you'll notice that the free version covers all the essentials. However, the premium version allows you to rewrite full sentences fluently in English, particularly beneficial for non-native English speakers. Additionally, it helps detect plagiarism and excessive use of AI-generated content.
Grammarly integrates smoothly with ChatGPT and other generative AI tools, enhancing your workflow and enabling you to create top-grade content that is more likely to be individual and therefore rank well on search engines like Google.